News at 9 with Micah Mater, Mark Zapelsa, Tom Skilling, and Dan Roan. This is Chicago's very own WGN News at 9.
You may think that cosmetic surgery is more of a woman's game, but that's changing these days. Up next, why some men going under the knife to reinvent themselves. Little tuck here, a little tuck there, so when you look in the mirror, you hope to feel better about yourself.
And it's not just women doing so. More and more men are going to a plastic surgeon as they try to reinvent themselves. WGN's Antoine Lewis with tonight's cover story on pampering oneself.
I could see where some men would be hesitant, because there is that women get plastic surgery or women get things done to make them look younger.
But Danny Rhodes isn't one of those men. He made a tough decision after looking in the mirror and not liking what he saw.
If you're looking in the mirror and you say that to yourself all the time, then it's something that should be looked at and I think dealt with,
So Danny turned to cosmetic surgeon Irv Wiesman to help him address his concerns with his appearance. In fact, Dr. Wiesman says the number of men looking to fight the effects of aging is increasing.
20% of my practice is men. I think some of the driving forces are that people are working longer and later in life. Commonly, I hear both men and women saying that they want to look better, they want to look as good as their younger counterparts. Andrew's going to keep the cool air on you, so keep it comfortable.
Wiesman admits you can't stop the aging process, but you can slow it down. Danny is getting a pixel resurfacing. A laser will act as a peel to attack acne, sun damage, and wrinkles. Wiesman says most of the male clients he treats are men between the ages of 50 and 70. So at 30, Danny is significantly younger. But both agree that reinventing yourself to feel better about yourself isn't limited to procedure or age or women.
There's a change in the social stigma with aesthetics and taking care of yourself. And it is getting more socially acceptable, and you just have to realize that really what you're doing is something good for yourself.
For more stories on people reinventing themselves, check out tomorrow's Chicago Tribune. Antoine Lewis, WGN News.